In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your property on booking.com. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure your listing is detailed and attractive to potential guests. First things first, we'll need to log into your booking.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top of the page and click on List Your Property. From there, you'll want to click Create New Listing. Here you'll see options to select the type of property you're listing, whether it's an apartment, home, hotel, B&B, or any other unique place. You have a variety of choices. For demonstration purposes, let's go with hotel and B&B. Now that you've clicked List Your Property, you'll be prompted to choose a specific category that best fits your establishment. Options range from hotel, guest house, bed and breakfast, and homestay to hostel, condo hotel, capsule hotel, and more. You can even click More Options to access an expanded list. Once you've identified the best fit for your property, click Continue. Next, decide if your place offers one bed and breakfast with one or multiple rooms, or multiple bed and breakfast. For this video, we'll select one bed and breakfast only. You'll want to click Continue a couple more times. Remember, some of these steps might take a little extra time, so patience is key as you move through the process. Let's move on to the address. Enter your property's address accurately. After that, you'll face a question about connecting to a channel manager. You have the option of either, yes, I'll connect this listing to my manager channel, or no, I won't be using a channel manager at this time. For now, let's proceed with no. Enter your property's name and click Continue. Now you'll need to select what kind of services your bed and breakfast provides, like breakfast and parking facilities. Do you serve breakfast to guests? Is there parking available? Choose yes or no accordingly and hit Continue. Next, specify the languages you and your staff speak, then continue. Now comes the part about setting house rules. Here you can configure preferences regarding smoking, shared areas, children, events, pets, and check-in, check-out times. After setting your preferred rules, click Continue. In this section, help your listing shine by adding a personal touch. Provide a brief description of yourself, your property, and the neighborhood. Share interesting tidbits that catch the interest of potential guests. Select answers to the questions displayed and click Continue. It's time to add room details. Specify the number of rooms, their types, available beds, cribs, and their sizes. Once that's sorted, proceed to bathroom details. Indicate what items are available, and once done, click Continue. You'll proceed to general room amenities, outdoor views, and food and drinks, then continue. When naming your room and setting charges, think competitively about the amount you'd like to charge per night, then click Continue. Review rate plans and get ready to upload some photos. Photos are crucial as they provide the first impression, so make sure they're high quality. Once all photos are uploaded, hit Continue. Lastly, tackle the payment details. Decide how guests can pay us, either online when they make a reservation or by credit card at your property. Select your choice and click Continue. Answer questions about invoicing by selecting appropriate options, ensuring all details match your preferences, and then complete your registration. And just like that, you've listed your property on booking.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides.